All right, so it's been a while. We're back at Beyond Wraps. This is actually where we shot the last video when he was wrapping the Raptor. So long story short, got a Gladiator. We've already started tearing it apart. I think I've only owned it for like 2 months. Today, we're just doing a coil-over conversion. So we've already started ripping into this. We removed the shock, the coil. We're replacing basically all the suspension up front. So we're gonna be replacing the upper, lower links with all EVO manufacturing kit. So it didn't go long arm because I didn't want to have to do new drive shafts. But I'm gonna show you here. So here's the coil. This is actually like a rock crawler 3.5 inch lift coil. And then this is a Fox remote resi. So it's like a recirculating kit. It's actually really good, but because what we were doing in the back, I just wanted to do all coilovers on it. Just wanted to hit the ground running with these videos, start doing more stuff, try to do at least one a week, maybe a couple a week. Just want to share what we're doing. Some of them may be install videos, some of them will just be kind of like, hey, here's what we're doing. Just showing you, hey, I'm doing this on this vehicle. So we're just gonna get right into it. All right, so like I was saying before, this is where the shock goes and this is where your coil goes. So I wanted to show you guys kind of the idea of how this works. So this is the EVO bracket. What it does is it kind of locates off the frame there, and then it's gonna relocate the coil over here. So what we have to do is trim stuff back like this, clearance a little bit here because the reservoir kind of loops over and piggybacks off the coilover. So we just have to do a bunch of that stuff. Typically once we get the first side going, we've already done it, so the next side will go way quicker. Take me to the river.
Hey, what happened?
So this is why we haven't been able to get anything done, because we usually aren't all together at one time, or he's doing something that I need him to do, so I'm like, don't even engage with him. But now he's got us like, basically like fixing his fuck ups.
Hey, where's your extension cords?
Nothing's here, so we don't have anything.
Yellow, bright yellow, like brown.
Looks like an air hose.
Yeah.
Looks like an air hose.
Yeah.
Dude.
Hey, the first time I looked for an extension cord is on the ceiling.
You're hot. Cut it. You want to measure?
No, don't cut the tabs, not the.
I wanna go home. I wanna go home and cry. Here. Are you gonna measure?
You don't even measure.
So, no, I'm just cutting straight down.
Okay, Jeep
Like
guy.
the
I don't need to measure. Jeep guy.
They said to cut all that shit.
Like cut this whole lip?
Yeah.
Okay. Need to cut it like that or something. We got this all trimmed up. Bracket plugs in exactly how we need it to, just like that. So the next thing we have to do is cut this tube because it's solid. This is where the factory bump goes in. So once we cut it, we'll be able to feed the King bump in and thread it in. Dude, this is nice. That's ergo. Look at it, little M12. Well, I'm like not straight either.
Well, that's a given.
You need to take that.
How come all my pants blow out in the same spot, huh?
Balls are all big, dude. Big old
Make some
beanbag.
big ball pants.
You can't have a big old beanbag and expect every pair of pants to freaking not blow out. Freaking atomic big beanbag. Fucking every time you look at your wife, she gets pregnant.
Well,
Fucking 14 kids later, 17 dogs.
yeah, that's fine. I'm building a legacy.
Yeah, doing something, dude. All right, so cut 3 inches off that. Throw the bump in. Thread the boy in. I like to do like the rest of it too. just so it kind of matches, dude. Also, straight up not chassis paint at all. SEM trim black. It wipes off with like alcohol. Or if you look at it wrong, it wipes off, but it lays down so good. So it's worth it. I don't know what's up with TikTok, dog. Dude, I'm a TikToker, dude. Look at this. Follow me on TikTok. Shit's about to blow up. Look at these fog lights. They look like they have a tweeter in them. And
so that extra trouble.
Kyle pointed out
It's the dual amber system.
the dual amber system.
And they're not even
patented technology.
They're like blue.
That the bulb in there is orange, but it emits blue light. And then Marvin put like, I don't know, paint protective film on the outside that's a different color amber.
Turn them on.
It's a triple fuck up right there. Normally, you should not have a tweeter in your fog.
Open the hood.
Oh. No, it's not blue.
Oh!
Dude. Dude, that's rowdy.
Dude, but the amber on amber.
The amber on amber, that does go hard. That's like, dude.
You should cut it.
Hey, that doesn't matter who you're hanging out with. If you got KCs or Bajas, you're fitting in. 100%. Coil-over time?
Yeah.
My coil-over. Do we have a hose clamp?
Yeah.
My coil-over. What?
The arm has a bracket
What?
for the ABS.
What? Wait, that's why we have this bracket.
No.
Up there, isn't it?
No, on the original axle, it's mounted on the axle.
Ding.
That thing.
But it wouldn't hit that thing if it was going forward.
Yeah.
But then it's got this. Okay, we have to disconnect it and figure out what to do. Maybe if the bump stop smashes the ABS line.
Yeah.
Like every time you hit a bump, you brake.
Go on, right? Bump
Yeah.
stop. Get it?
Bump stop. Dude. We just figured it out. You just click. Okay.
Now we're back to where we
You
were.
want me to like just fat boy it and just jump on that shit?
No, now it's just fucking spring is.
No, look, it's still maxing out.
Nice. Scratch my coil-over. It's cool. You have anything better than this, Marvin?
Nope. Oh, I have like a real.
Yeah, a
Here, I got a Marvin fiber.
No!
What the fuck are we gonna do with
What
that?
are you doing, dude?
No, a punch.
Marvin fiber.
This is like a 5-pound sledge. No, I have like this.
This is all I got.
Do you have like a?
When you do shit wrong, boy, it looks like that. Well, Kyle assumed that this bracket that comes for relocating the brake line wouldn't apply because this isn't a stock axle. Wait, that's why we have this bracket.
No.
Up there, isn't it?
No, on the original axle, it's mounted on the axle.
But it actually has a provision for it, and it works just like a stock axle. So that was a big hang up. This brake line was actually going across the bottom of the original coil bucket. So it was stopping the coil-over. As you can see, it's a little scuffed right there. It was basically bottoming out, and we couldn't get this lower shock bolt aligned. So we relocated it. Now it's out of the way, and we should be able to pull the axle
Bring it down.
over. No big deal, just picking up freaking 1-ton axles like they're Dana 44s. So yeah, long story short, we were just taking our time, honestly. Just trying to do it right. This is not the way to do it. There's no reason to rush. We're not we planned on just taking 2 days anyway to do it, one side a day. But the other side will probably be done by lunchtime if we get here in the morning, so.
Boxo Tool uses a hose clamp driver.
They use it or they include one in their kit?
Both.
I guess that's it for today, guys. We just kind of took our time. We got the whole driver's side kit in, minus the links, because we realized that after taking the links out makes getting that long ass coilover in there a lot easier. So coilovers in, coilover brackets in, bump stop kits in. So we just have to do lower links, upper links for this side, and then it's done. We got the brake line relocation bracket here. So we'll probably just like clean it up. I don't know. Yeah, we'll just figure out, like, make sure nothing's colliding. But yeah, all the, like, the diff breather, all routes in there nice and clean. Nothing's interfacing incorrectly. So pretty much hook the sway bar up after we get the links in, and then we'll do the other side tomorrow. So see if we can keep this freaking daily vlog going, and we'll see if we can get another video out tomorrow.